What is up, people of YouTube? Today we're going to be going over an install on the Rennchip power box, which is essentially a piggyback ECU add-on to the computer of the Porsche Macan. So stay with me. Alright, so basically it says that we have to open the hood, turn the ignition off, remove the ignition key, lock all the doors. Don't open any doors and wait about 5 minutes before the installation. So we're going to do that. Alright, basically the next step will be to locate the camshaft sensor, which is right here. And it's just a tab basically that opens up. And it looks just like this. So you locate the cable that has the camshaft sensor, and it's gonna look something like this. It's gonna have that one and that one, a female and male plugs, and you basically just align them. So once you take your sensor, you take this one right here and you match it with this one. So basically this tab goes in here and this one goes here. And that's it. That's your first point plug. Make sure that they click so you know that it's nice and secure. The next one, you have to locate the boost pressure sensor, which is right next to the intake manifold right here. And it's pretty simple to release. You see this little mechanism, you kind of pull it outwards and it comes off. Then on your cable harness from the actual kit, this is what it's going to look like, and it's labeled accordingly. You just have to make sure you match it. Alright, so the next one, you're going to have to locate the manifold air pressure sensor, or MAP sensor as it's commonly known. On most cars, this thing is going to be in front of it, but my car's been worked on and they put it behind it, so it's actually exposed on mine. But basically you just release the tab, it was already released, so you just pull it out and that's it. And then locate the cables on the harness that are labeled as such and match them up basically, and it is as simple as that. Once you locate them, you match them up, and that one goes here and lock them up, and the next one goes over here and lock it back up. Perfect. Okay, basically a quick recap. We have to locate the camshaft sensor, which is located right here, as you can see, where it's in relation to the engine. But once you locate it, unhook it, plug it in, match it with the label on the harness. The next one is the MAP sensor, which is located right here. The next one is the boost pressure sensor, which is right here. Plug it in. And then your last but not least is going to be your power. I've already taken this out, locate the positive and the negative, use a 17mm wrench to untighten it, and then basically you give yourself room to be able to give the power to the computer. And then you're going to mount this wherever you like with your zip ties. Most people mount them right here. Okay, and this is the last part of the install. You basically have to give it your power. I was able to mount it with some zip ties over here connected to the negative. You would use a 17mm to untighten this right here. Make sure you tighten that properly, and then you want to zip tie your harness and keep it away from anything that will burn through the harness. I will zip tie it a little more and then you would put your engine cover back on and you're done.